Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, just a quick intraday update here. Bitcoin didn't move much today. The altcoins are moving nicely, which is good to see. I've made a small adjustment to the chart, which I already communicated to our gold members earlier today, which indicated that the next rally could start shortly, given that I've just changed the wave degrees, okay? So previously, or like a couple of hours ago that was, I posted that I am considering that the price is only in wave 4 of C of 3 and not yet in the larger fourth wave. What does that mean? It means we need possibly one more high in wave C of 3 before the larger wave 4 starts, before we go up even further. So it just extends the move to the upside. And the support area was defined between 62,560 and 63,840, which has already been reached here overnight, yeah, and therefore it is possible wave 4 maybe just forms a triangle here and could break out to the upside to reach the next upside fib level at 65,487. Bear in mind that 65k itself is a key level. We got rejected there yesterday, and I showed you in the last update that on the daily chart this 65k level is a key Fibonacci level. It's the 78.6 retracement of the larger cycle. But all that means is we might see one more high in this C wave of a third wave. This third wave started down here on Tuesday and is unfolding as an ABC structure. This is all messy, you know, diagonal pattern stuff. My take is that this diagonal that we're tracking here should reach sort of the low 70k area in wave 5. I'm actually going to add the next fib extension as well, because the third wave should reach minimally. That's not a maximum target or anything, you know. The third waves can extend. Maybe I have to say that, you know, once more. I do say it regularly, but third waves can extend. So I know everybody's waiting for a pullback again. Well, there was one today, but the thing is, third waves just can extend. You can't predict Fibonacci extensions, but you can expect them. We always expect third wave extensions. And the way to handle them is just to be aware where the current support area is. And as long as support isn't broken, the third wave can easily extend. The 66,880 level that I've been highlighting for the last few weeks, really, yeah. That's only the first ideal target for that third wave. So it can easily extend further, and it will likely extend further because we haven't even finished this third wave. Then we should see another 4. By the way, this support area is only going to be relevant if the upper one is broken. So 62,520 is key support now here for this micro wave 4. And then we should still see one more wave 5. And only then this larger third is finished. And then we can look for the fourth. And then we can talk about the fifth. But yeah, it might take us into that 70k region. Now looking really at the micro patterns. And I go to the 30-minute chart now. I have no evidence that wave 4 already bottomed. It is possible, but this was a bit like a 3-wave move up. Either way, you know, unless we now break above 65k, there's no evidence that, you know, wave 4 bottomed. It might turn into a triangle. It might give us a deeper wave 4, but it actually makes kind of the impression it might want to go directly. But see, support is clear. As long as support is holding, we are focusing on higher. Normally, the ideal target for a fourth is the 38.2 retracement at 63.1k. So we might get there. But it's not a given, you know, especially if this here is some kind of a triangle, which it looks like. You know, you can add these trend lines here, then it might never get there. So somehow like that, you know, it's just to show you that this here could be a triangle. We don't have enough don't have enough really, you know, waves or structure in that triangle to really call it a triangle. In that case, the wave 4 would finish somewhere here. But, you know, tracking these microstructures, especially in a correction, doesn't make much sense. There is a standard resistance area we could track. I mean, if it breaks above that, that might already be a hint that we're already in the next move up. And that is 64,700. But for now, you know, we'll see what it does. Resistance is clear. Support is clear. It might turn into a triangle. Looks like a bullish pennant. And overall, Bitcoin looks promising. It's looking like a promising structure, and we're tracking the upside structure going forward, but we're not out of the woods yet. I think the levels are all clear. Quick reminder that today I'm going to send out the newsletter. So if you haven't registered yet, you can do that. You'll find the link in the description. It's completely for free. We'll likely do that in the evening. And then you can get updates about the NASDAQ is going to be there in there. It's covered, and another cryptocurrency, and all sorts of other stuff. So yeah, feel free to register. Have a great day. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.